Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about a standard component star washer. I am going to explain how to use equation in a sketch to create this washer. So this is the star washer which I am going to create. So I am going to maintain a sketch relation with equation. So let's start now. So select the front plane, select sketch, draw 3 circles. So here outer circle is 13 and inner circle is 6.4. Draw center line connecting these 2 points. Now create 3 points at 2 ends and the center of this line. Select this point and this circle. Make it coincide. Say OK. Select this point and top plane. Go to features. Select plane. So a plane is created parallel to top plane and intersecting at this midpoint. Now once again select top plane and this point. Go to plane. So one more plane is created. Now select this plane 1. Go to sketch. Keep it normal. Here take center rectangle. So 0.05. Here we have to give relation to this dimension. So here we have to, instead of dimension, select the equal symbol and select this dimension and star 3. That means this dimension into 3 times. Say OK. So we can see the equation symbol over here. See here, we have to select this equation and we have to copy here. Now say OK, come out of the sketch. Now select this top plane, this plane 2. Go to sketch. Here select, instead of center rectangle, select 3-point center rectangle and just simply place diagonally. And draw one center line. The angle between this horizontal line and rectangle is 40. See here, for this dimension we have to give relation equal to and this 0.5 relation star 0.9. Say OK. So I am going to explain. So let me come out of the sketch. See here, D1 is this relation. So I have taken D1 dimension at sketch 2. So this is the sketch 2, bottom one. So we have taken the reference of this dimension to generate this top rectangle dimension. So that is 0.5 into 0.9. Let me keep these dimensions up to 2 decimals. So let's dimensions. Here instead of 1 I am taking 2. See here. So this is 0.05 and we have 0.45. So let's go to the sketch 3. So once again we have to apply relation to this line. Here equal and select this dimension, that is D2 of sketch 3 star 3, that is 3 times. So this rectangle is slightly smaller than the previous rectangle. So here we have 2 rectangles. Now select this point and top plane, create one more plane. Go to sketch, keep it normal. Here we have to convert this entity of this rectangle. See here, that is of sketch 2. Now here I am going to hide these planes. We have 3 sketches, 1, 2 and 3. Now I am going to create a loft feature. Select this and this. See here. So now I am going to create a pattern. So let's see whether we are able to create or not. So before that we have to create an axis. So select top plane and right plane, create an axis. Say OK. So let's try to create a circular pattern. So sometimes it doesn't create. So let's see here. I have taken 12 equal instances. Say OK. So the feature cannot be modified as the existing body. It cannot create a new bodies. See here. There is a gap between these instances. Here initially it is difficult to create this feature. So what we have to do is we have to create an extruded feature. So select front plane, go to sketch, select the center circle and convert entity and select extrude. Here what we have to do is we have to show this sketch and select up to vertex. So one is this vertex, the other is this. So we have to select both the sides up to these 2 vertices and say OK. Now this feature is merged with this extrude. Now I am going to create a circular pattern. Select this axis, feature, select this loft feature, taken 12 equal instances, say OK. See, we can see some additional projections on both the sides. So we have to remove that. So select this face, go to sketch and here keep it in wireframe. Go to convert entity. We have to select the center circle. Say OK. Now keep it in solid. Go to feature extruded cut. flip direction and say OK. Now we can hide all types. See, it is flat now. Now we have to create a mirror feature. Select the front plane since it is exactly at center and select this extruded cut. Say OK. So that the other side, the additional material is going to remove. See here. Now select the front plane, go to sketch, convert entity and select this small circle. Now extruded cut and select through all both sides. See, when we see in front view, this is exactly flat, but we need as a circular. So what we have to do is, we have to remove the top material. Select front plane, go to sketch, select the top circle. See here, this additional material I am going to remove. So select this circle and convert entity. Go to extruded cut. Here instead of inside, flip cut direction. See, we can see outside arrow. So the outside material is going to remove and say OK. See here, for better results, what we have to do is, we have to select through all both sides. So now I am going to hide all types. See, we can see the final component. And we can see the equations. So every dimensions is related to this 0.05. All the dimensions we have derived from this dimension D1. So this is brief about creation of a star washer. Thanks for watching.